how to reset the camera settings on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the camera app. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the camera settings, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on reset settings. After that, tap on reset, and this will reset all of your camera settings back to the default. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. So if your camera sometimes does not perform as it should, or certain features has been disabled, then you can scroll down and reset the camera settings. Resetting the camera settings does not cause you to lose any data on your device. All the settings will be just related to your camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching.